Next week they'll have to have toys so they don't kill each other. Whoops! They're like funny. Those fat things that hit each other, you know, those sumo wrestler type things that they do at the ball games and stuff. One falls and rolls over, and the other one falls back and rolls over. The little one, she's sleeping through it all. What's this one doing? These two are sleeping under Gracie. That one walks, the little ones walk pretty good. Are you falling or are you peeing? I don't know which. Guess you were peeing. Yeah, there's a little wet spot.